Hello, everyone, and welcome to this another Hall of Fame success story of career acceleration mastery. We have another CAM mentee who has achieved spectacular increase in the salary, 31%, moving from one level to another level in the same organization in a record time. And I just want to welcome him on this Hall of Fame interview and want to congratulate for your great success that you have demonstrated in the last few months or so.
Thank you, Rakesh, sir. It's a pleasure.
Okay, now help me understand the success actually doesn't come easily, as I have seen in my own career. What has actually made to choose the CAM, that a career acceleration mastery in the beginning, and what has taken as an effort for you to actually reach to this level?
Absolutely, sir. So it's just an exciting journey. I don't have a too huge of a career, but whatever it is, it's been an exciting journey. And to be very frank, sir, I was looking for some kind of career coaching. I had seen these things during education counseling. So maybe 2 years back, I was searching on internet whether any such type of things are there where people, because I was kind of directionless 2 years back, that where should I apply, which skills should I gain. So there were certain challenges and I was really struggling in those areas. After doing engineering, then MBA, I still felt that, what next? So there was kind of fear that what happens next. There are macro factors like how economy is doing. But there are, of course, micro factors like how I am doing. So I had been looking for these things, and then in last year, I guess there were a lot of materials had come on internet around the videos, and I was kind of watching the people, and so I kind of started watching them, and I realized that these things are not working out. So somehow, while scrolling through Facebook, of course, I had started watching Robin Sharma's videos, and I think on the similar concept, I kind of found your video, and then I attended your session. And I remember I had very recently cleared my PMP, and I wanted that what next after PMP, what is the next direction that I should get. And then came across your video and I observed it, and instantly I decided that yeah, I'll be now kind of what the thing that I was looking 2 years back. I am kind of now, getting some kind of direction. I was not very sure at that time,
Obviously.
and I have this habit that I still remember that I made the payment and I did not get the links and all those things, and I was writing, so I did not get. I am getting that list and all those things, and you personally messaged me that you will get it and everything are there, and this is how it will happen. And I kind of started observing and started doing the practices, and then as the time passed, I realized, yeah, I have made a good decision. This is something I was looking for, and my basic, how would I define that in my industry, the word that we use, the root cause. Like my root cause of my struggle was that I was not aware that in which direction I have to proceed. Somehow I realized that yeah, I'm getting some direction, and kind of my thoughts started evolving from yeah, job nahi change karni hai, career banana hai. So that is what my aspiration now, and whenever I speak to my colleagues, I don't say yaar job change mat karo, career banao. This is how I have transitioned into that mode now.
Excellent. And I'm quite impressed with the way you are now recommending people. So with the kind of experience that you are with the post graduation, I believe that a lot of post graduation people have the lot of expectation from their career, because that's why they do the post graduation, right? And when your career doesn't work out, it is quite disappointing financially as well as the other way around as well. And I'm very happy that you took the decisions and thinking about the career at the very early age of your career. You have still a long mile to go, but when you are probably transforming as a person like this, where you start thinking about the career rather than just any other job available in the market, that's what I call it as a real transformation. So help us understand what has changed in you, maybe after the CAM, or what are two or three things that you have applied which has led you to this kind of success.
So one is, so there are several things. I think there are different verticals that I've been applying, and I believe I find it a little hard to say top three, to be very precise. But I say there are different dimensions that you work in, and certain scenarios, the certain things work in. I'm more confident for sure. And when I say confidence, it's not only about that my career perspective. It's also about I as an individual. Because when I started, so I kind of started going through your videos, and then I started practicing, and then the words that you referred, I searched on internet, I saw YouTube videos also. So there were a lot of good materials. Kind of my thought started diverting towards the different things. Let's say you spoke specifically about the elevator pitch, and I might have heard about the elevator pitch several times, but I never got into so deep that I kind of practiced around 60 to 70 videos of my elevator pitch. Even after posting in the Facebook group, I had again made it, and I'm very confident of getting into any video. I mean, if the video session is on, I'm now kind of excited to speak. So I would say confidence is that something I have. I'm more confident. Second is visibility and the networking. I mean, the leverage of the sessions like CAM are there. We get in touch with a lot of good people, and of course you told me that like LinkedIn course is there. So of course I'm trying to connect with the people on a LinkedIn, but I think my best part would be getting in touch with good people like my accountability partners. They are great. Girijesh Srivastav, he got that
Wow.
hike. I was in touch with the Girijesh, then and Girijesh and me discussed the resume part, and then the Girijesh getting that hike, and he said that yeah, we had a very good discussion. That we had a discussion, change the keywords and all those things, and it worked out, and we had a very good session. Then Tanmay is there, Harsh is there, Shivashish is there. So there are the different people, and we generally connect on Saturdays, and on Thursday we have this session, and the Saturdays we connect with the accountability partners. So there is a continuity, and there is a lot of excitement. So you are always in one kind of this thing. Your mode is always on of achieving something. So and then there's a positive competition as well. So I would say networking wala part has definitely helped me. I was more confident if the things doesn't work out here, definitely there is some backing. So all these things start working in your favor. And then of course on that day, of course, negotiation helped me a lot. So negotiation, I remember I was in touch with you last evening when I was having this discussion, and I was kind of my boss called me in evening, and then we would have a discussion tomorrow. So I took the inputs from you, and I think I applied it. I was confident uh, because when I was having discussion, of course, the numbers I quoted, they were not ready to pay that. But of course, because of these confidence that had got into me, I stuck to my ground, and I kind of uh, decided that yeah, this is the number I'm going to take. And of course then there are some certain subtle skills that you need to apply, like being silent. Of course these are the psychological things that work. So I was not aware. I would have been like, if I had been a normal me of last year, maybe I would have been chasing him, or would be trying to press too much about myself. I had already pitched about myself that yeah, I deserve that, so this is the number, and then I used my silence, and somehow things worked out.
Wonderful. Excellent. I love when the things are working out on the negotiation part, because that's a secret tool which we give to everybody, right? Because see, there are a lot of people who who are doing the negotiation every day in day out, right? But there are things which you cannot learn just by, I would say, just by doing the numbers negotiation. There are certain things which you have to learn without stating the number, is what we actually teach you in the career accession mastery. I'm very happy that you applied that, and you got the result that you wanted. Yeah, because I know that your first number what they offered was hardly, I think, 10% or so, and now you have taken it to almost 30%. It itself is a great achievement, that too in an internal promotion for sure. And talking to your business head itself is a great achievement for sure. Now help me understand, there are a lot of community members that you have been now speaking to, and one of the best part of this community is the accountability group that you are working with, and that is pushing you towards your success as well. What is actually working for you in the camp, which you would like to tell your fellow camp students, and tell them that yes, this is the way you can approach camp, which can give you the result faster? What is that one or two things that you would like to advise them?
I would like to, so if I have to tell from my perspective, with all due respect to the people around there, of course, there are a lot of experienced people. So what I feel is that I think sometimes we should make the things zero inside us. Let whatever we know, we kind of keep them on aside and try to understand. So sometimes we just start jumping and start making our own perceptions around the things that we learn. So maybe I would believe that I started watching your videos and I tried to apply those skills, and I try to see that what you are trying to say and what are the good things that are possible. Of course, you are coming with so much of experience, and there would be some with some exposure and the experience that you would be talking. So just let's try to understand what he's trying to say, try to absorb them, try to make notes around that, and then see that's how it happens. I started watching your videos, and whatever the videos that I was watching, I was also watching YouTube and the Google and this thing. And then I started applying. So I think it started working. One was the like LinkedIn SSI scores improved. Started writing blogs. Now what happened is my blogs were well appreciated. It was around COVID vaccines or around my EV vehicle transitions, all those things. My country had liking those articles and writing comment over it. So it was really a good experience. So what I wanted to press a message here is that try to understand, absorb those things and try to apply. Until unless you apply them, those things will only remain a lesson. And so in order to get a self improvement, you need to apply, and then you need to be a little patient as well. I mean, things don't work out the next moment. It is a step by step journey, and I believe that is how I took it, that whatever the good things that you are teaching, will try to I'll keep applying them. So that is one thing, and the second thing is remaining consistent. I think
Mm.
sometime what happens, you see a movie like Border and you feel like आज तो country के लिए मैं जान दे दूंगा, or second moment you just on your same national flag you eat your food and you just throw it away. It can't happen that way. I think consistency is very important. I would not still rate myself anything above 7 in my consistency, because of my official work and all those things. I sometimes miss out on those things. So I believe if I apply these things little better, I would be giving an even better result. That confidence at least I have achieved. But still, I say that I have improved in that perspective also. So of course, consistency is something, is the second angle I can.
Excellent. And help me understand in terms of, we'll talk about the CAM community inside. There are people who are still waiting for their breakthroughs. There are people who in the mid-level, they are still not getting the kind of success that you have achieved, right? Despite putting in a lot of hard work, knowledge, experience, and skills. What is your message? Because I believe you have taken the decision to be in the CAM with a very wise head. That is, you were looking for how do I probably build my career, or how do I probably look to improve myself. So that self improvement ideas only come when people are self aware. Okay? Generally the people are in the flow, so they forget everything is going well for them unless the pain comes to them. So what is your advice to the people outside the CAM community who really, really want to be a part of such a community where they can actually get the benefit of the accountability of the cross industry, cross function? They can get the learning as well as they also get to learn from me as a coach. So what is your advice? Do you feel that they are probably not doing something right in their career? How do you feel that you viewing now inside the CAM community, the looking at the people who are not actually getting into the CAM community?
My message would be around, like, would have a lot of people around me, and if I see them, majority of them would still feel stuck. And there are different ways to learn the things and move to the next level. I think you can learn from your colleagues. That is what MBA is for. You get a lot of partners, and then you your own self analysis, self experience, the family members and all. But I would uh, believe that in Indian system we had the importance of having the Sangh. That word we used to have use, like Sangh. we used to come together and then used to move in a specific direction. I think what happens here is, once you are not in a camp community, you join a community with an objective that has a vision that, yeah, you want to move to the next level, you want to be a leader. So everyone is working like a leader. Everyone wants to be successful here. So you kind of an ambience, an atmosphere, a joint learning, a joint thought process that gives you a difference that you might not be just getting speaking to one of your colleagues or one of your family members. It's like the entire family has come together for a specific perspective or a specific reason. So I think somebody, if you're really willing, really want to grow, really, if you're struggling that I'm not getting a direction, I think those people definitely should. If you feel like, yeah, I have my direction clear, of course they are good to continue with whatever the means they have. But I'm 100% sure that majority of them having that direction is the only thing that is not there. So I think that really helps here.
Absolutely. And you made it perfectly right in terms of the community is the power that we have. I mean, the time that you had joined and now there's a huge difference. The time you had joined and now it is 1800 people are there in the community. So we are growing leaps and bounds. And the reason for growth is definitely the success of the people like you and the success of all the students who are now coming up with their success, 40-50% hike, 60% hike, the promotion, the offline promotions which is happening in the community. And that gives the sense of satisfaction to me as well as a coach and a mentor, that yes, whatever you are putting in the effort is going in the right directions, and at least those who are taking actions are getting the result. So very well done in your career itself, and I just want to wish you all the success in your new role, that now you are taking up a very bigger role that in your career as well. And I'm hoping that you will be probably jumping into the next level that we have after the camp, where we will be learning the next level. How do we actually now exponentially grow the growth? So one was the linear growth that we all have. The job search is happening in everybody's mind. But how do we probably convert that into the exponential growth is what my objective is for the people. So I want to create that army of the leaders where they are the one who is driving the Indian businesses, and not only Indian business, but worldwide. And that's the kind of vision that I have for myself, that we want to surround with the leaders. And those leaders need to be operating at the world-class level. So my effort will be always to give you guys that world-class atmosphere in the community that we can build together. And definitely your success, or for that matter, any student success, actually paves the way that yes, you're going in the right direction. Move one step ahead, one step ahead. So look forward to have your favorable result going on and continue to get the success in your entire career journey that you are planning to have. And for the viewers, this is what we do actually in the Career Acceleration Mastery. If you're not a part of it, just click on the link of www.rakeshrana.co and register for that live webinar with me and understand what is it in store for you. If you are struggling for the direction, struggling for the growth, and probably not getting the breakthrough in your career, then find out how you can take charge of your career. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel so that you can listen to the more success stories like this, which can actually inspire you every day. Thank you very much, and God bless.